Hi guys, we're gonna be watching. What up, guys? It's your boy Angel, and today we're gonna be watching some Jovanni's TikToks. Let's do this.
All these horses in my car got me going fast. I just wanna do the dash, put my pedal to the gas. Going so fast, hope I don't crash. One fall smooth, that could be my last. All these horses in all that's 13, 14, 15, right? 22. Guys, when I was doing the throttle test, this came out. It didn't broke. It just came out. It's a video. You can see the video when the wheel come out with this. Guys, okay. I will do a throttle test. It'll be a lot shaky. It'll be a lot noise because it's too powerful. And yeah, let's start this. I will go slow and then I will go slow and then I'm going really fast. We'll do a throttle test. It'll be a lot shaky. It'll be a lot noise because it's too powerful. And yeah, let's start this. I will go slow and then I will go slow and then I'm going really fast. Okay, what's up, guys? This is a throttle test part 2. Now the battery is really charged. I just got it charged, so let's go again. What's up, guys? Okay, part 2, almost charging the Traxxas Stampede battery. Now we need to wait for the music, because it's almost charging, and it almost finished. It's almost finished. Now I need to wait for the green light to start blinking and then wait for the little music. The music now. Okay, now it's done. Okay, now we take the battery out. Wait. Okay, now we show you how to put the battery on. Now you can put the battery like like this. Now put it on. Now put this to hold the battery in. And now put the clips. Okay, now I'm done putting the clips of the battery. Now I just put the battery and just run. And then just wait. But I'm not gonna put the case on. The clip case because the case broken. Okay, part 2, almost charging. And then guys, and then when it's finished charging, you hear little music. I wait for the little music. Still waiting for the little music. Okay guys, it will be a part 2. Okay guys, I will show you how to charge a Traxxas Stampede RC battery. First get the battery and then the charger. Then plug the charger, and it will be flashing. Okay, there. Now put the battery in, and then you can hear music. And then that's how you know it's charged. And then you need to wait for the green light to be right here, and then it's full charge. Yeah. Okay, guys, I will show you. Cada día de mi vida yo con vos me lo quiero pasar, porque tengo la manía de tu amor. 3, 2, 1. Jamás yo te voy a dejar, cada día de mi vida yo con jamás. To the left, to the left, to the right, you're the best. Stand up, hands up. You're the best, never give up. I'm flipping them patties, I'm chilling with Patrick the Boat, pull up backwards a day full of laughter, see sandy cheeks, I'm bursting a bubble, a jellyfish lover, I'll catch me a couple of magical world, the F is for fun, I'll run to the sun if only I could. Now turn to your neighbor and make sure they're swell, I probably will be forever be. To the left, to the left. I ain't need not. Take the car here to the stage, then you seen a nigga thought, throwing that ass for days. Booty going up, down. I ain't got no problem spending all of my money. Tryna see what's up now. Off of the gram. Bitches love the gram. Oh, wait, shit. Roxanne, all she wanna do is party all night. Goddamn, Roxanne, never gonna love me, but it's alright. She think I'm an ass.
Guys, Giovanni's Giovanni's RC is good. It's really good. Look at this. Look at it. Look at that. It's really good. No problem spending all of my money. Tryna see what's up now. Go be watching his videos.
All these horses in my car got me going fast. I just wanna do the dash, put my pedal to the gas. Going so fast, hope I don't crash. One false move, that could be my last. All these horses in
Sing chicken. That's 13, 14, 15, right? 32. To the left, to the left, to the right, to the right.
Do you know that? Then I'm back. So guys, that's the end of the video. Peace out. I hope you enjoy it. I hope you enjoyed Jovanni's RC. Jovanni's RC is pretty good. It's really good. Bye guys. See you in my next one.